I'm Simon Bernard, and this is what's happening outside the gate. Living in Misawa gives you close access to some of the best snow in Japan. The 8 mountains of Hakoda are paradise for backcountry and powder snowhounds. Natural terrain and no-groom slopes makes it the #1 destination of worldwide skiers and boarders. If you are more of a recreational skier or beginner, you should definitely check out Nakawa Shirakani. With 1 gondola, 4 lifts, and night skiing, you can find the right terrain for your level. Snowboarders can also hit the rails and the kickers in the snow park. Located on Mount Iwaki, it is a first-class ski resort and hotel. Relax after skiing with gourmet dining and indoor and outdoor hot springs. Fun for kids includes snow tubing and snowmobiling. Ski packs are available. Call Misawa ITT to book your holiday or weekend getaway. For more information, become a member of Out the Gate on Facebook. I'm Simon Bernard, and I hope to see you outside the gate.